Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Not too many changes since the last video, but we broke below the ascending trend line, and that was a trend line where I mentioned to you, should we break it? Yeah, keep an eye on that trend line. Should we break it, we're probably going to go quite a bit lower, which we did from around $44 all the way down to $42.20. At the moment, it doesn't change the wave count at all. So we are still here in a wave 3 in white of the yellow wave 3. Because when we started down here to count it impulsive at around $25, $26, we moved up in a wave 1. We came down in a wave 2. And we are now in this yellow wave 3 up there. Within this, we've got subwaves. The wave 1 in white already done. The wave 2 done. The wave 3 on the way. Within the wave 3, we of course also have subwaves. Nothing is moving in a straight line. A wave 3 consists of 5 subwaves. It is an impulsive wave, and at the moment it's looking like that we were forming here a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2, that we are now in this third wave, and within the third wave, which also has 5 waves, we've done a 1 and a 2, and this move down is currently corrective. You've got an A, B, C, and we could now at any point start the move to the upside. Now, important is for that scenario to hold the 41.24 level. Yeah, if you lose this level, which is the previous swing low, then I think we're going to come down here to that area again, around $39 to $40. And if we lose that, we can get quite quickly back down to $34.80. So to protect imminently the bullish scenario, we need to hold this 41.20 level, or at least here the 39.21 level. If we get down to that level, then, because we can count it impulsive, then probably this will become wave 1 and we have a larger wave 2 retracement ahead of us. For now, it should soon start to move up in this scenario to keep the current wave count. If it doesn't, and if it breaks below 41.20, I can also give you the most likely retracement levels for that scenario. So it's simply, if you lose 41.20, what are the levels that you can then expect? But even in this scenario, see, we've already reached the 38.2% FIB level at $42.11. So theoretically, that wave 2 could already be done, because that is sort of the first meaningful level for a wave 2. But it could go, as I said, it could go down all the way to the 39.30 level. Yeah, so the 61.8% FIB level. So this, it needs to hold. Otherwise, it puts a question mark on this bullish scenario. At the moment, I have no evidence that this wave 2 is over. So again, it could just be this one. It could just be this one. Not entirely clear which scenario it is. I would rather say, because that's sort of the scenario for ADA as well and Bitcoin, that we're in this scenario where this was a wave 1 and this a 2. But I'm not entirely sure. There are various ways of counting this sort of at the moment. That's sort of the lower level micro counting, and these shift sometimes. So I want to see a bit more price action to determine which scenario we are in. But I gave you the key levels to watch out for. And what's the best evidence that wave 2 is over? That will be a move above this wick. So that is 45.25. So a move above that level will be probably the first indication that wave 2 is over. And then that would be confirmed with a move above that yellow wave 1 at 46.71. And then the next key level to really get above is the 48.41 level. Above 48.41, we can increase the chances for the bullish scenario. At the moment, I give the bullish scenario roughly a 60% probability. That will increase if we go above the 48.41 level, purely because it's the previous wave 4 high. And that is a very important level to break for invalidating some of the possible bearish options that are still possible. Okay, and that's my updated view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.